judge a book by its cover. Some Polish words, which may seem familiar at first sight, may surprise you with their true meaning. Let's deal with them. They are called false friends, and this name really reflects the true nature of this phenomenon, because at times they can make people feel really embarrassed. I remember my own struggles with telling the true and false friends apart when I was beginning to learn English. And the first time I came across a false friend was when somebody told me to look for something in the closet. Well, what did I do? I went straight to the toilet, ignoring all the no-no-nos on the way and making everybody confused. Well, the thing is, the Polish word closet means toilet. I will try to help you avoid some of this kind of traps in the process of learning Polish. And the first word I would like to talk about is the word ewentualnie, which is a word that we use a lot and we like using it. And when we say ewentualnie, we are actually not talking about outcomes, we're talking about possibilities, because ewentualnie means alternatively. And yet another word which is often used is the word ordynarne. And I surely do hope it never gets synonymous to the English word ordinary, because ordynarne means rude and vulgar. The Polish word pensja refers to money that you get every month, but before you retire, because pensja means salary. On the other hand, the word renta is not what it seems to be. It's not rent. It's a kind of pension, for example, a disability pension. And when we're talking about money, we've got this word hazard, which is potentially a hazardous behavior because we're talking about gambling. And the outcome of hazard can turn out to be fatalne. Fatalne means disastrous, but not necessarily fatal. When you are ill and you visit your doctor, you will most probably get a recepta. No, not a receipt, because the Polish public healthcare is free. Recepta means prescription. Oh, and if you want to stay healthy, it is probably a good idea to eat a lot of sałata, which, to make life a bit more complicated, is not salad, it's lettuce. If you go to the Palace of Culture in Warsaw and take the elevator up the 30th floor to enjoy the view from the terrace, which is in itself a very good idea, you will notice a sign that says Windy. And although it may be windy up there, it is not meant to be a weather warning. Windy means elevators. And now, last but not least, my favorite pair of false friends, which is aktualnie and actually. And it actually doesn't mean actually at all. Aktualnie means currently. So, aktualnie, you are watching a video on false friends which is about to come to an end. So if you would like to learn more tricky words, visit my blog by clicking the link in the description of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, give me some thumbs up here on YouTube and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching and bye!